Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or apply for a Deliveroo rider account in Italy in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Deliveroo driver application. Now, over here, you need to also search for it, Italy specifically. So after searching for Italy, you are going to see this particular website, which is rider.deliveroo.it. So this is exactly what we are looking for. So you need to simply tap on it and you will be landed here on this particular website here in Italy. Now tap on the option of apply now, then select your city. After selecting your city, you just have to press next. Then you need to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. Then select your vehicle type, whether you want to select the bicycle, electric bicycle, car or scooter. After doing so, simply press next here in the bottom. Then you need to simply provide your IBAN details for your Italian bank account in order to ensure that you receive your bi-weekly payments. In this stage, you must also complete the self-employed declaration, or you need to provide the Paricia IVA details if you exceed the annual earning thresholds. Afterwards, you can finalize your process by completing the online safety video module and submitting your application for the background check. Once it is approved, you will receive a link to the shop to order your branded kit, and your account will be set to active once the kit is delivered. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.